Guangzhou Guose Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a professional steel structure company located in Guangzhou City, the cooperative factory located in Foshan City. In the past 10 years, we offer the OEM services to lots of regions, like Middle East, Africa, West Europe, Oceania, North America, in bus shelter field. Nowadays, cooperative factory that is equipped with the most comprehensive bus shelter product line, including steel structure, cabin, and kiosk. The cooperative factory occupy the area of 15,000 square meters. Products are exported to worldwide. Guose is one of the qualified outdoor steel structure suppliers in Guangdong, joining in international construction projects to receive the advanced concept to keep high quality. There are 4 categories of products: bus shelter, solar bench, kiosk booth, office pod, cabin, smoking booth. Our annual production volume reach up to 50 million RMB. Bus shelter and food kiosk are our ace product, with the advantage of mature technology and competitive price. Each product would go through 3 parts of quality control before ready to ship. In the past 10 years, we have finished thousands of projects. We set up milestone in Australia, Congo, Tanzania, Nigeria, and Japan. There are lots of well-known cases. The success of these projects has given us a strong engineering ability. We are very confident in serving customers from all over the world. Welcome to visit Guose at any time.